What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Cassie here with your Friday, February 22nd, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. The weekend is right around the corner, so make time fly by shredding it down the mountain. We will be keeping up with our 26 trails open, operated by all 8 lifts. Thanks to our team, we've groomed the trails all night, giving you nice corduroy on now packed powder snow. It's going to be a classic winter day here with temps in the mid-30s and partly cloudy skies, moderate winds with gusts up to 15 miles an hour. Get competitive with the family today and head over to Challenger for family NASTAR racing starting at 11 a.m. and prizes for the top family teams. And join us tomorrow, the 23rd, for our Powder Room Park Party, ladies-only terrain park event. Everyone from first-time riders to experts welcome. Go online to our calendar for more details on these events. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all our social media, and I will ski you on the slopes.